34 Plymouth 5-window coupe. Got a set of wheels off a friend of mine. Two problems though. Two spokes were missing. So I called up a place called Rally Wheel trying to look for a set of spokes. They told me I'm fucked because no one makes any spokes for them. So, me not taking no for an answer, what I did is I got out my micrometer. Those are 245, 250 wall. I found some 1/4 inch at Lowe's, which is 250. I took and I heated them, put them in a vise, and I beat a head on them. Did that for 2 of them. And this is what I ended up with. There's that spoke. Nice head. Looks just like the other ones. There's that one. There's the head. Looks good. Go ahead and weld them in. Problem solved. So I guess the Rally Wheel place on the internet, it can be done. So real simple. Cost me I think $3 to get the 3-foot piece from Lowe's and put it in a vise, beat the head on it. That's basically it. Hope you guys learned something. I did. Getting closer. Later.